Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. Before you begin, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery and wearing protective eyewear. It's crucial to have a professional recover the refrigerant from your system. Once that's done, gather your new compressor, a serpentine belt tool, and a good set of wrenches. Now let's get that old compressor out. Start by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully remove the belt. Next, disconnect the electrical connector and the two refrigerant lines from the compressor. Be prepared for any residual refrigerant. Finally, unbolt the compressor from its mounting brackets and carefully remove it from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new AC compressor and bolt it into place, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the electrical plug and the two refrigerant lines, making sure they are secure. Finally, route and reinstall the serpentine belt, double-checking its tension. The final steps are crucial for a functioning AC. You'll need to evacuate the entire AC system to remove all air and moisture, which is best done with a vacuum pump. After evacuation, recharge the system with the precise amount of refrigerant specified for your vehicle. This ensures optimal cooling performance. For other great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.